In this video, we will talk about 5 natural supplements that will boost your brain health and can also improve your memory, alertness, and general cognitive function. Such supplements are known as nootropics or cognition enhancing drugs. These supplements that we will discuss can also help you get rid of brain fog. Let's get started with today's topic. Nootropics are natural supplements or drugs that have a beneficial effect on brain function in healthy people. Many of these can boost memory, motivation, creativity, alertness, and general cognitive function. Nootropics may also reduce age-related decline in brain function. So, the first supplement that we will talk about is fish oil. Fish oil supplements are a rich source of docosahexaenoic acid, also known as DHA, and eicosapentaenoic acid, also known as EPA, which are two types of omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids have been linked with many health benefits, including improved brain health. DHA plays a vital role in maintaining the structure and function of your brain. In fact, it accounts for around 90% of the omega-3 fat found in your brain cells. The other omega-3 fatty acid in the fish oil is EPA, which has anti-inflammatory properties that protect the brain against damage and aging. Taking DHA supplements has been linked with improved thinking skills, memory, and reaction times in healthy people who have low DHA levels. It has also benefited people experiencing a mild decline in brain function. But unlike DHA, EPA isn't always linked with improved brain function. However, in people with depression, it has been associated with benefits like improved mood and a feeling of general well-being. Overall, the best way to get the recommended amount of omega-3 fatty acids is by eating 2 portions of oily fish per week. If you can't manage this, then taking a supplement could be beneficial. I have provided some links to good fish oil supplements which are available online in the description box down below, so make sure to check them out. Now let's talk about the second nootropic supplement, which is known as resveratrol. Resveratrol is an antioxidant that occurs naturally in the skin of purple and red fruits like grapes, raspberries, and blueberries. It's also found in red wine, chocolates, and peanuts. It has been suggested that taking resveratrol supplements could prevent the deterioration of hippocampus. Hippocampus is an important part of the brain associated with memory. If this is true, the treatment could slow down the decline in brain function you experience as you get older. Additionally, one study on a small group of healthy older adults found that taking 200 mg of resveratrol per day for 26 weeks improved their memory and cognition. So, including more healthy fruits full of antioxidants and minerals in your diet will benefit not only your brain but also help your body in various ways, such as improving your blood sugar levels, controlling excessive weight, improving gut health, and improved general well-being. Number 3 on the list is ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is a herbal supplement derived from the ginkgo biloba tree. It's an incredibly popular supplement that many people take to boost their brain power, and it's available in stores and online as well. It's thought to work by increasing blood flow to the brain and is claimed to improve functions like focus and memory. Despite the widespread use of ginkgo biloba, results from studies investigating its effects have been mixed. Some studies have found that taking ginkgo biloba supplements can help reduce age-related decline in brain function. One study in healthy middle-aged people found that taking ginkgo biloba supplements helped improve memory and thinking skills. While more studies are needed to confirm these benefits, there is no harm in moderate consumption of good quality ginkgo biloba. You can check the links in the description for some good quality ginkgo biloba products. Number 4 is caffeine. This one is pretty obvious. Billions of people will confirm that coffee is a well-known concentration booster as it helps you in staying awake and improves focus. The caffeine in coffee blocks a substance in the brain known as adenosine. This in turn prevents the drowsiness that occurs as the levels of adenosine in the body increases. Beyond boosting alertness, a 2018 study suggests that caffeine causes an increase in brain entropy, which refers to complex and variable brain activity. When entropy is high, the brain can process more information. Coffee is also a source of good antioxidants which support brain health as a person gets older. One study has linked lifelong coffee consumption with reduced risk of cognitive decline, stroke, Parkinson's disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Caffeine can, however, affect a person's sleep, and doctors do not recommend caffeine consumption for everyone. Number 5 on the list, we will discuss some of the key vitamins and minerals that have a nootropic effect. Neurotransmitters are chemicals that are responsible for the transfer of information in your brain. So if there is a problem with the functioning of neurotransmitters, the information cannot be transferred properly in your brain, which can lead to poor memory and a decline in cognitive function. These also determine your mood, general well-being, sleep cycle, as well as your activity levels. Vitamin B6 helps in the production of many neurotransmitters which boosts brain function. About 2 mg per day is sufficient to keep the brain in good condition. Vitamin B6, when taken along with other B vitamins and vitamin C, has been proven to be beneficial in improving mood and maintaining low stress levels. Vitamin B12 deficiency also affects our memory. It causes disorientation, burning of the feet, and problems in the nervous system. It is found in foods such as milk, chicken, fish, and eggs. If you are a vegetarian, then you should eat dairy products like curd, cheese, and milk. Even a mild deficiency of other B vitamins like thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin can impact our memory. To avoid this, B complex is a good brain supplement. Similarly, lecithin and choline play an important role in maintaining a healthy nervous system. Lecithin helps improve memory and protects the brain against damage due to stress. It provides choline, which is a substance that is used in the production of acetylcholine, which is a very important neurotransmitter in our brain. 2 tablespoons of lecithin per day is recommended to boost your memory. It is available naturally in egg yolks, nuts like almonds, sesame seeds, soybeans, and whole wheat items. While these supplements help your brain to think and function better, they should be used in addition to a healthy diet. Exercising regularly also helps to improve blood circulation to your brain. Always try to keep peace and avoid stress. You will experience your life becoming more positive day by day. With this, we come to the end of this video. If you like the video, make sure to share this video with your friends and family so they can also benefit from it.